everybody, welcome to Make It New with Walmart. My name is Emma Panuski, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make this super cute 90s inspired Valentine's Day box with things that you can find at your local Walmart. Let's get started. To follow along, you're going to want to have with you an assortment of apple barrel paint, an empty cereal box, an assortment of paintbrushes, some scissors. For this craft, we're going to be using Aleene's Tacky Glue, a pencil, construction paper, and an X-Acto knife. Okay, so first, we are going to be base coating our empty cereal box with some Apple Barrel Peachy Pink. Next, we're going to cut out some embellishments to add to our Valentine's Day box using this scrap piece of cardboard from a different cereal box. One of my favorite hacks to use while crafting is to take regular household objects and trace them on things so you get your perfect shape. We're going to use this mug to make a perfect circle today. Okay, now we're ready to cut our embellishments out. The colors of Apple Barrel acrylic paint that we're going to be using to embellish our Valentine's Day box are Peachy Pink, Red Apple, Yellow Flame, Cameo Pink, Cool Blue, and Snow White. Now we're going to cut a little slit at the top of our box so we can place our Valentines inside. Now we're going to cut a little handle for the top of our box, just a little bit wider than the slit that we just cut. Now for the fun part. Now we get to add all of our embellishments to make our Valentine's box into a real boombox. Now you have a super cute card box just in time for Valentine's Day.
For more project ideas and inspiration, make sure to go to plattonline.com.